Good afternoon everyone. Today I am going to show how to prepare the chicken liver foie gras pate, which is a very traditional cold appetizer in this our Jill's restaurant. So for that we do have egg. If you come close into the bit, you can see a little bit of duck liver with melted butter and nice infused with the red wine, brandy, garlic, thyme and cinnamon. So it gives a little bit more flavor on this, adding to in this pate. For that we are ready already. Chicken liver and the foie gras. Foie gras is a French word, it's called duck liver. You can see here a little bit. Yeah. So for that we will strain this infused red wine, brandy and all. We are ready everything here. Now we are adding this. Wow, look at this. You get the smell. Nice one. So we're going to add this butter into the foie gras. Foie gras is a duck liver. It's already melted. You can see, come and see guys. Yeah, we are adding this. We are adding everything. This. Look at this butter, foie gras. I'm adding egg as well. According to the recipe, we already measured it here. Now, last we are adding to this mixture chicken liver and the reduction of the red wine and brandy. Now we got here egg, reduction of the red wine and brandy, thyme, butter, and the foie gras. Can you smell it? See? How is it? Very good, right? Smell it, nice one. Infused red wine. Okay, now I'm going to add this slowly. But whenever you're adding this, making sure that it looks like, sometimes it looks like a split. Okay, because the cold and hot is mixed.
Yes, sir.
That's why we have to be very careful on this. Yeah. Okay, now I'm slowly passing to this.
Basically, this is the French tradition.
Yes, but it's very popular dish in our church as well. Yeah. On this, after this, we will blend it. Once you blend it, we season it this mixture. Once you blend it, we season this with the salt and pepper. Once you done this one, we strain it and we will put on this mold, which is basically we are using for the double boiler and we are cooking in the oven. Once you done, this one goes to this oven. Our oven is ready almost, setting up in 110. So if you want to set up the oven, okay, I'm using 110. As a half an hour. Once you're done from this, we use the as a ice bath for half an hour just to make it chill down because this is a chill cold appetizer. Once you're done, then we'll get the final product. Already I blend this chicken liver foie gras, which is a mixer already done. So I'm just finishing up this. Now I'm just adding some salt and pepper, which is to taste it. You can see. It's going to mix a little bit more. You can see guys, the smooth, very smooth, right?
Yes, sir.
Once this one is done, I'm just going to pour in this mixer into bowl. It's look like already look like a soup, right? See, but once you put this one here, you have to make sure that no bubbles, no air inside. So what normally I used to do is I just bang a little bit. Look at this. So all the bubbles from inside is coming out. Yeah. Okay. Still you can put more because once you cook, this is gonna be reduced a little bit. Again, I'm just bagging a little bit more. Make sure that there's no bubbles inside. Once you're done, I'm just going to put this into the oven. You can come to the close, come close. It's called double bend Mary. Then my temperature is ready, timing also ready. So I'm going to close this one. As we say, 110, 1.5. My timer is done. Foie gras is ready now. So I'm going to remove this foie gras. Wow, look at this. Beautiful foie gras pate. Done. Once you're done this, I'm going to put in the ice bath. It's because it's hot, just to make it chill. Okay guys, as you can see, this my chicken liver foie gras pate is ready. So I'm going to slice this. Let's remove a little bit front slice, just to make sure that, just to get a nice slice. Wow, look at this. You can see his beautiful foie gras pate is going to be ready now. And not only this chicken liver foie gras pate, there is some component that's missing. So I'm just going to add these components, which makes my dish is beautiful and tasty. Looks like a little watery. I add a little in the apple pear chutney. It's kind of pickles. So just going to add some as a garnish and some thank you very much.